In this video, we look at pathlib, Python's built-in tool for working with file and folder paths. It is cleaner and safer than typing paths as plain text strings. Pathlib gives you path objects that know how to behave like real file system locations. You get helpful methods built right in, so common tasks need far less code. We start by importing path from pathlib. This is a standard library module, so nothing needs to be installed. On line 3, we create a path for the notes folder, then use the / operator to join it with the file name todo.txt. Python builds the correct path for your operating system automatically. Printing the path object shows you the join path as a string. On Windows, it would use backslashes automatically, so your code stays the same on every platform. When we run it, Python prints notes /todo.txt. The / operator did the joining for us, with no messy string gluing required. .exists returns true if the file is actually on disk. If it is, .read text loads the whole file as a string in one call. No need to open and close files manually. .glob lets you search a folder using a pattern. The *.txt pattern means every file ending in .txt. Each match is handed back as a path object you can keep using. The old approach was to build paths by adding strings together or calling os.path.join. Pathlib replaces all of that with one clean, readable object that works everywhere. Pathlib makes file work feel natural in Python. Create a path, join paths with /, and call built-in methods. It is the modern, recommended way to handle files and folders.